just a filly. I found it rather silly to see how many other ponies I could meet. I had my books to read, didn't know that I would ever need other ponies to make my life complete. But there was one colt that I cared for. I knew he would be there for me. My big brother, best friend forever. Like two peas in a pod, we did everything together. He taught me how to fly a kite.
Best friend forever.
We never had a single fight.
We did everything
We
together.
shared our hopes, we shared our dreams. I miss him more than I realize, it seems.
Your big brother.